True waterfront paradise in this lovely Lake Santa Fe home must separate luxury apartment. Main home has all the comforts you can imagine to enjoy family lake life. Spacious open floor plan, West Cherry built-in gas fireplace, hardwood flooring, and separate dining area. Sunroom for early morning sunrise views. Large kitchen island, custom cherry cabinets. Master suite overlooks the lake with breathtaking views. Master bath has double sinks west, a huge walk-in closet. Screened-in porch is spacious and relaxing. Open porch leads to tiered trek decking west, an outdoor kitchen. Granite counters, the latest in grill technology. Dock-bust boathouse and lift. Separate apartment, ideal for potential income. Has full kitchen, living room, dining, master bedroom, and 2 full baths. Try to find this one somewhere else. Right by the pass between Big and Little Santa Fe. Call LA before showing at 284-1537. A deal waiting to happen. Estimated 125-foot waterfront, and the lot is 2/3 of an acre.